Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted. Class A toy hauler RVs are rare, but they do exist. As of this year, there are 2 brands of Class A toy haulers. First up is the Newmar Canyon Star. These are the only front-engine diesel Class A toy haulers on the market. Canyon Star RVs come with a Cummins B diesel engine with 340 horsepower. There is only one floor plan available in 2025, and it's the 3947. It is 39 feet, 11 inches long. Inside, there is a sleeper sofa across from a dinette booth. The galley kitchen has stainless steel appliances and a large pantry. Just beside the pantry is a 3-piece bathroom, and behind the bathroom is the main bedroom with a king-size bed. Campers can enter the garage through the bedroom, and bunks can be added to the garage to create additional sleeping space. The garage ramp door of this RV does not convert into a patio. The only other line of Class A toy haulers is Thor Outlaw. This line of gas engine motorhomes includes 2 floor plan options, both of which are 39 feet and 10 inches long. In this video, we are touring the 38 KB. Like the Canyon Star, the living area has a sleeper sofa and a dinette booth. There is a galley kitchen and a 3-piece bath across from the kitchen. In the bedroom, there is a tilting king-size bed and a large closet with washer and dryer preps. The 10-foot garage has plenty of room for toys, and the 0G ramp door converts into a patio deck. Follow us for more RV tours and tips.